Introducing Power Weld 2K, the force that holds it all together. Stronger, faster, smarter. In many production environments, time is critical. But traditional adhesives often take too long to cure, slowing down the entire process. Even worse, some bonds simply aren't strong enough to handle the mechanical stress they're exposed to, especially when bonding different materials. These weak or inconsistent joints lead to quality issues, safety concerns, and often require costly rework. The result? Production delays, wasted materials, and growing frustration on the shop floor. That's why we developed Power Weld 2K, a high-performance, two-component structural adhesive designed specifically for demanding industrial environments. It offers fast working times and strong initial tack, so parts can be handled or moved within just a few minutes after application. The adhesive is dispensed through a static mixing nozzle, which ensures precise and consistent blending of both components, every single time. The result is a clean, reliable bond with excellent strength, even on challenging materials like metals, plastics, or composites. Power Weld 2K helps you speed up production, reduce failures, and improve the overall quality of your assemblies. Power Weld 2K offers a balanced combination of speed, strength, and versatility. With a working time of just 3 to 5 minutes, it allows for efficient assembly without slowing down production workflows. Once cured, it delivers exceptional shear and peel strength, with bonding performance of up to 25 megapascals, depending on the materials used. It adheres reliably to a wide range of substrates, including steel, aluminum, rigid plastics, and fiber, reinforced composites, often without the need for additional primers. The adhesive also resists vibrations, high mechanical loads, and temperature fluctuations ranging from -40 to +120 degrees Celsius. In addition, Power Weld 2K shows excellent resistance to water, oils, fuels, and common industrial chemicals, making it ideal for harsh environments. If you're looking for a smarter, faster, and more reliable bonding solution, now is the time to experience what Power Weld 2K can do for your process. Visit VIPindustrialadhesives.com to learn more, request a free product sample, or speak with one of our technical experts. Discover how Power Weld 2K can help you improve production efficiency, reduce failure rates, and gain a competitive edge. Power Weld 2K, when bonding meets performance.